Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Stanley County. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Baden Lake, Plyler, Locust, Baden, Oakboro, New London, Marl Mountain State Park, and Lake Tillery. This includes Big Bear Creek at Old Mill Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flood advisory in effect until 8:45 p.m.
Okay, so I'm in the Harris Theater, just shopping around like pretty much everybody else would. And I happened to receive a notification on my weather apps on my phone for a flash flood warning. And here I have this RadioShack 12-254 with me. Well, since it's my favorite radio. Out with me for a WXL70 for this flash flood warning for Stanley County, North Carolina. So as far as where I am, if you know this sign, then you know. Yeah, random flash flood warning here. Just some shopping around like pretty much everybody else would on a day like this in the afternoon.